Idra, I feel extremely sorrowful about what you had to say about Mecca, because it's just my last words to him were in anger, and I made that stupid video where I was shouting at him. But I believe we can keep him company, and I don't believe all is lost. He may have been an atheist in this life, but that's because there's a lot of scandalous stuff going on in religion. He was not fully enlightened. I believe that no soul would go to hell unless they had been fully enlightened, and then having been fully enlightened, chose to reject the truth. It's kind of like I went to a courtroom, and I went before a judge, and I was enlightened about a lot of things, and I had a defense attorney explain to me various plea agreements. I believe that before he went before the judge, he was given adequate knowledge of the truth. He saw the sacrifice of Christ, and he could have still chosen to reject it, because part of being in heaven is, a person serves God, a person obeys God. They have a lot of joy doing so, and they're transformed into somebody who finds great delight in heaven, but they have to, of course, still accept the sacrifice of Christ and all. Yet, I believe he had advocates, not just Jesus Christ, but other intercessors. I believe that I feel God has let me know that he is a just God. He's not going to condemn somebody to eternal separation from him unless that person truly, could know the truth and despise God and just would prefer a life separated from him than to be with him out of hatred for God. And I really, there's actually scripture verses in the book of Revelation, which I will look it up and I will give you those verses if you don't know about it, where the souls in Hades were actually released and then judged, which means they could have repented in Hades and before being judged. And there's also a scripture verse that says the gospel was preached to the dead, and that Jesus descended to preach to the souls in prison. And even in the Apostles' Creed, he descended into hell. So anyway, not all is lost. And I believe, I don't know what your beliefs are about purgatory, but as I said, there is in Scripture, it does speak of a place that is not heaven or that is not hell, that is a place of suffering, that a soul can be led forth from there into heaven. I believe that we can be with Mecca. I believe that we can assist him with our prayers. And also, God sees into the future, and so he can see the prayers for a soul into the future and take the merit of those prayers and apply it to a person at their deathbed so that they are fully enlightened and fully have all the graces for a change of heart. I have more to say, but it's very busy here. I'm using someone else's phone in the restroom and whatnot, so God bless you.